Welcome to today's video review for Wednesday, July 29th, 2015 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. So you want to be a trader and really learn how to read markets, and you're tired of being a slave to silly indicator systems. These systems that have you going long, then short, make you want a robot or someone else to trade your money. What if this could not only be profitable and fun to trade, but how about doing it every day for just an hour? The key is in simplicity for the mind. Welcome to visual energy analysis. Our trader today realizes that he can take intraday trades for an hour each and every day. He's considering that possibly in the future he might consider swing trading or even position trading. And why would he ever want to be doing so? Because he realizes that the patterns happening intraday are also happening on the larger chart frame, such as the daily that we're looking at here. You'll notice on this daily chart that we have a crest right here. And you'll notice how price is pulled back down to this level of about 45.26. As we showed yesterday in the YouTube today's video review, that this particular same concept can be used on any chart frame. We're showing it here on the daily. The other was on a 3000 tick. We're looking at this midline here for today, and we're also trying to determine if price is going to use this level here as support. And if so, this line that I'm pointing to, the solid white line, midline, will be not pushing down. It will allow price to go higher. If, for example, this is going to be support, resistance turning to support, this would not stop price from going higher. Let's see if our intraday trader can use this piece of information as he is learning how to read visual energy analysis in the market. You'll notice yesterday with this down red arrow, I'm pointing to a white dotted line. This is that same midline on the daily. You can see it here for today. It's moved a little higher. But you're noticing almost to the tick how price picks up that energy point and starts to use it as resistance. If you're just joining us, you'll notice that the trader for today, starting at 9:30, had a crest of resistance drawn in here. I'm pointing to with the white down arrow, and I'm using the green up arrow to look at a level of support from a valley from yesterday that our trader was looking at. You might ask yourself, well, if price is topping out up here and this white dotted line is actually going to be resistance, what is the pattern? Well, this is the pattern that takes place. We have a challenge into the crest with weak dots not able to get above this white solid midline. This is telling the trader this area up here from this white dotted line is down. Price is going to go down and test this solid green line. This happens on our lower chart frames that we'll look at next. Our trader begins just a little ahead of 9:30 with this up pink arrow. This area right here is what we call our power mid trade. This is our 3000 tick lower energy band with a white dotted mid line in there. This is an energized mid support level that strongly pushes price up. And when price does not get strongly pushed up, it's telling us the resistance is being put in. You can notice that eventually coming into the 9:45 time period, we have a crest of resistance drawn. We're clearly seeing this upper yellow hold with the overlap of the upper energy band. This is telling us that the energy being released from this white dotted line in our power mid trade is not pushing up. So when we have signals to get short from up in this area here, which we'll look at because we have three of them up here, the trader has the potential for a very long trade that can move down to the support level. This is the support level that we previously discussed. This is the valley here of support. So the up pink arrow on the left we draw here on the right. This is a challenge, a weak challenge with a dot staying above the solid white line on a green bar. We came within 2 ticks of hitting this level here. If you had a rule that you needed to have associating right to the tick, you would have missed the trade. But if not, you would have taken the trade up and price hit this point and reversed right back down, which is what we call a reversal or a V reversal. V reverse back up. Our trader's not looking for these kinds of trades. He's looking for weak dots and looking to sell a crest. You notice these blue dots are above our solid white line here, and it's a challenge to the crest, but because the energy is strong, our trader doesn't go short. As we go up higher, you can see this down pink arrow on the left chart is pointing to an area where we have our energy band, the magenta upper energy band, and also the yellow. We put in a crest, but you'll look at the dots. The dots stay strong above the solid white line, but they can't push through the crest. If we go back to the previous example, same condition, right? Strong dots, and they can't push through this crest of resistance. But would you rather take a trade from here when the upper energy band is up here, or how about taking it here when price is associating with this upper energy band like it is with the down pink arrow on the left chart? We teach in the Masters of the Universe course that having a strong lean is very, very important to be selective in your trades. So our trader on the red bar goes short, price comes down and quickly reverses. As price bounces, we're looking at the down pink arrow here on the left chart. We're getting a crest of resistance, and on the red bar, our trader has gone short again. As we come down here to the white up arrow, we're noticing here at about 9:39, we've got another challenge to a valley of support, and our trader goes long in the green bar. We've also got to the left, if the trader can see this, this is also a previous valley here, and what we're getting is we're getting a local valley on top of a previous valley. This is a great time to be going long. Our trader takes advantage of that. Then as we go higher, again, we're noticing that we're losing the push up. The energy cannot push up, and the upper yellow on this focus frame chart on the left is staying strong, and so is its upper energy band. The upper energy band is shown here on the right chart. You'll notice this crest, the dot staying below the solid white midline once, twice, 3 times. It cannot penetrate up, and this upper energy band holds. Our trader has gone short. The reason he's holding on is because he's starting to get a feel for visual energy analysis and how the markets really do work. As price sells off, he manages the upper yellow and stays in the trade for as long as possible. We look at the up green arrow on the left chart. You'll notice the right chart, we've got a valley of support. Price came within a tick of hitting the support. So on this green bar, our trader is long. Up into a very strong area of resistance. This is what we teach in the course called the Power Mid Trade for the down pink arrow. We put in a crest of resistance. Price comes within about a tick of hitting our resistance and falls weakly down into this level right here. Provides quite a bounce up and then pushes down lower. Our trader is looking potentially at the bottom here, coming into about 10 o'clock. A valley of support. Again, the dots stay weak, hold at the midline. Green bar, our trader is long. Goes up into a crest. Dots stay weak below the solid white line. Red brick short. for the down pink arrow on the left, and the market falls down and creates another support level, which our trader loves, these weak dot pushes. He loves to trade an hour, and he gets lots of trades the very simple and same way over and over again. He gets long for this up green arrow on our left chart, rallies up, and then quickly does a V reversal down. No challenge of the crest here for our trader to get short. Our trader decides to bag one more with the up green arrow on the left chart, drawn here on the up green arrow on the right chart. Same condition, valley of support, weak dots pushing down, green bar, he's long again. Runs it up, manages it as long as he wants, takes as much profit as he needs. Every single day, these patterns happen over and over again the same simple way. And only for the trader to be focused in 1 hour. How many systems out there could say that? If you're interested in learning more, send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you for your interest.